Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm actually kind of doing this in the reverse. I'm at the end of my Saturday and I'm going to walk you through the chore side of my Saturday routine. Today was kind of an unusual day in that I had my regular chores for Saturday and my regular volunteer work, but then I kind of had to split my time and I was in charge of an entire party for my church to celebrate the 24th of July, which is Pioneer Day if you are from Utah or know of that holiday. Even though I don't live in Utah, we still celebrate it at church. So I was in charge of that entire activity today. So I kind of needed to split up my routine into just my chores because that's more of a normal thing. And then I did a day in the life of the rest of my day, basically. So if you check that out, you'll see in the next video the kind of the day in the life side of my day. But today we're just going to show you the chores that I've done today as part of my regular routine. And I hope you enjoy. Take care. Bye.